What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Today's video, we are going to talk about the MYRO meme token on Solana. Okay, guys, this token surprisingly is getting some traction, is getting some volume, and a lot of people are jumping in on these meme coins. Okay, maybe this is going to be the next Doge coin. Who knows? All right. So today's video is going to be about what is the MYRO token and how to purchase this MYRO token. So first things first, you're going to have a look at the statistics, and then I'm going to show you what can you do with the MYRO token and how to purchase this MYRO token. So stay tuned in. So as you can see right here, this is on CoinGecko right now. So it's ranking 505 on the top cryptocurrencies, and the price is 0.06239, okay, per token. And we can see it's down 24% for the last 24 hours. But we can see on the watch list, we have 10,054 people watching this coin. Okay, so that's a lot of people watching this coin for a fairly new coin. All right, so if you come over here to the chart, we can see that this thing was listed on CoinGecko. I don't know when was the launch, but it was listed on CoinGecko on 11th of November 2023. Okay, so almost 2 months, and in 2 months, look at this. This thing did 30 freaking X's. 30 X's, right? So that's crazy. So imagine you purchasing this coin around here. So you put like $100, and those $100 will be multiplied by 30. All right, so $100 would be about $3,000. Okay, so $100 all the way to $3,000. That's just how crazy these meme coins are. And you can see right here the trading volume for the past 24 hours is 18 million. All-time low is 0.0019, and all-time high is nearly 10 cents. Okay, so it's down 30% for the last 24 hours, and actually it reached the all-time high yesterday. Okay, so where can you buy this token? If you scroll further down, we can see all the exchanges you can buy these meme coin. Right here, we can see Max, KuCoin, Radium, BingX, etc. Okay, so the way I'm going to show you how to purchase this one is going to be via Radium. Okay, so stay tuned in for that. So let's go over to the socials and let's see what this thing is all about. So if you come over here to the white paper, to the website, you can click over here, takes you to this page, and this is the website. All right, so over here you can find more about this thing. Okay, so MYRO, where is MYRO? So MYRO is the name of the dog owned by Raj Gopal or Gokal. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. One of the co-founders of Solana. This project pays homage to him and his dog and responds to the popular demand for dog-based narratives in the crypto space. So essentially, this is just another meme coin, just like Solana, just like Dogecoin and all the other coins. Okay. And yeah, this thing has a potential to be something big because it's just 2 months old. And yeah, a lot of people are getting to know this thing. All right, so that's why I'm making this video, so I can make you aware about this meme coin as well. I personally don't hold any of these meme coins, but I might purchase some and see what happens. Okay, so over here we can see that this meme coin has some features. Okay, so it can do has some utility. So I was reading this thing. I was like, I just read this, but I really don't understand what this thing will do. So you let me know on the comment box below. Have a look at this thing. Solana first public buy bot on Telegram, promoting and cross-pollination and offering free exposure through MYRO trending. Blah 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 blah. Okay, but I was like, what you actually can do with these bots, I really don't know. But yeah, let me know in the comment box below after reading this if you understand what this MYRO bot's supposed to do. And then they will bring up some futures coming soon about staking. So staking is where you purchase MYRO tokens, you stake for a certain amount of time, and you will earn MYRO rewards. Okay, and you will also have further more utilities. Okay. Tokenomics, so there is no tax, so zero tax. And down here we can find the token address, and the liquidity will be burned forever. Okay. Maximum supply is 1 million. I think it's 1 billion tokens, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, 1 million to be, yeah, I think it's 1 billion or 1 trillion tokens. Not really sure. It's too many zeros, but there, I think it's 1 trillion or 1 billion tokens. And if you go over to the MYRO Twitter, we have 32.5 followers, and they are quite active in this thing. All right. And yeah, so how to purchase this thing. So the way I'm going to show you is using the MetaMask. So you need the MetaMask. So once you connect your log into your MetaMask, okay, you will need to set up your Solflare. Okay, so once your Solflare is up and running, you will need to send some funds, some Solana or USDC to your Solflare wallet. It works just like the MetaMask wallet. And then once you got your funds available, so for example, I've got this amount of Solana in my wallet, I will then go to the Radium website. So if you don't know the Radium website, you can come over here, CoinGecko, and you can find the website over here. You go to Radium website, and then you will connect your, let me just disconnect it so I can show you how to do it. So you're going to come over here and MetaMask, you click over here, you click connect. Okay, MetaMask is connected, and over here is where you're going to swap your token. So we can see that I have this amount of Solana, and now I want to buy the MYRO token. I will come over here and copy this contract address. All right, come over here, and now we're going to look for the MYRO token. As you can see right here, MYRO token popped up. All you got to do is click on it. Yes, I understand. And now you can say, hey, give me 0.1. So 0.1 at the moment is 936 bucks. And that will give me 152 MYRO tokens. And all you got to do is hit swap, and transactions goes through. You pay the gas fee, and boom, you will have the MYRO tokens in your wallet. And essentially that's that. It is very simple, but if you come over here to the website, they will show you a few other ways how to buy the MYRO token right here. Okay, but if you don't have these wallets, I just showed you a way to buy the MYRO token with the MetaMask wallet. And essentially that's that, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update about this MYRO token, why a lot of people are starting to talking about it, and how to buy it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.